The people who come to fight us in Osumowu yesterday is Hope Uzodinma squad, Biafra Liberation Army. No be small thing, no. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Baraba Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. What you go do for us for this channel na to share our videos and make sure say you dey follow us for all our social media handles. Like, if you never subscribe for this channel, please try to subscribe. If you never follow us for our Facebook page, follow us over there and turn your notification bell favorite so that you go get our updates back to back as e dey hot. Let's jump into the ogbonge news wey we get for hand today. And Biafra Liberation Army don come outside, come paro give Hope Uzodinma and the governor of Anambra State, which is Soludo. He tell them say, say no be smart. He say the men wey Hope Uzodinma send come yesterday, say many people fall for inside, and in the tell the Anambra own wey be Soludo make him send more men come. Say they dey gidigbam. No be smart, you know say this talk is dey go for our mouth sometimes. Now with the live bring video come up, may you see wetin dey happen. But sometimes on a blast, so they skip the video, but you need to watch the video from beginning to end. May you understand wetin dey go on and hear everything wey talk for this particular video wey I wan play you right now. Okay, may you watch the video. I will come back and continue talk more about wetin dey go on as we dey talk.
Always good in attacking the defenseless people, running away from those who owe the same thing they owe, running away from the people who can defend themselves, running away from the people they're supposed to go and fight with. I believe the girl is still alive in their hands, so it is the duty of a good citizen of Biafrans to protest for the release of that innocent girl. They kidnapped the girl, burned their houses, before they will now task the girl to rape the girl and kill the girl. They have succeeded in killing that old man. But one thing I have promised them is that the blood of that old man they killed yesterday will never rest until he hunts all of them down. All of them will go down. You know, whenever I talk like this, they think I'm joking. Their body don't rest. We are still watching them. This is exactly 12 p.m. in the land of Biafra. But I believe that they don't have strength and courage to come again and die today. Because what they faced yesterday, their body never recovered from the shock. The shock of yesterday, they never recovered. So it would take them like 1 week, 2 weeks, sometimes 3 weeks or 1 month to recover from the shock. The squad that came yesterday was from Hope Uzodinma, thinking that they can do election in Imo State. Maybe the one that will come, we are expecting from Soludo. It is combined. Yesterday on was from Hope. So since Hope don't receive shock, he will call Soludo and say, nah, send your men, oh. This one no fit go again, oh. These children don't finish them. Maybe we are expecting from Soludo, any moment from now, Soludo own fee come. And if Soludo own collects, they will rest for 1 month before we will see attack again. Hope don't collect his own yesterday. I'm calling on Soludo to do his own fast. Soludo, what are you waiting for? Send your men now, send your own, please. We are waiting for you. Nara. You think we are Boko Haram? Do you think we are Boko Haram? Or do you think we are here to joke? By the time we will finish with you, all of you, you wish you never start this dance of the spirit in the first place. Soludo, do your own now. Send your men. Send your men. Hope don't collect. Since yesterday, Hope call you that he don't collect. Your men don't collect plenty. Woto. You supposed to don't send your own this morning now. Eh? You don't even do backup for Hope yesterday. Is that how they treat your friend? Hope they do backup for you, but you did not do backup for Hope yesterday. You are a very bad friend, Soludo. You are a bad friend. You are a bad friend. I believe Hope called you for backup, but you did not assist Hope. You allow Hope to face the death all alone. And now you're supposed to embark in your own. You are still resting. What are you wasting for? Soludo, do your worst. You know that this perceive of Biafra are not the type of 1967. When I tell you that we are here to complete what our forefather did, fight or start, we are here to finish it, you think we are joking. Soludo, what are you, please, people who know this man should call this man. Hope don't call it Woto yesterday. He's supposed to, he did not even do backup for Hope. Hope called him for backup. That meant the army he sent, these boys finish them. Backup. Soludo refused to do backup for Hope yesterday. And Soludo refused to release his own today. What is Soludo waiting for? Look at the time now. This is 4 minutes after 12 p.m. Soludo, you are a very bad person. You are a bad person. A bad person. Biafrans all over the world, I want you to know that then collect Woto yesterday. It's not that they didn't know they are going to die. Oh. That is why they always come with ambulance. They knew, but the death they incurred yesterday, they didn't expect it. With all the ammunition they came with, they didn't expect that they are going to die like that. But they forget that it is not us that is fighting this fight. It is the spirit. Our forefather, our ancestors are fighting for us. That is what they forgot to know. That is what they lack to know. You know, Fulani think that this war is physical fight. But although they understand that the spirit put on, and that is why then themselves they go do juju. Then think say now all those one where then they do, then go take on finish. Oh, you know, for their mind, then thought that it is magic we are playing. They will go and then spend money in India, China, and all those places, carry juju, say they want to come and fight in the land of Biafra. Have I not been telling you this? That's as once you step your foot on the land of Biafra, boom, all your juju neutralize. All your power turn to zero. Zero, you are empty. Just one bullet, boom, you are a goner. Have I not been warning you? Bring more. So then when I say them fortify themselves, do you know what they call them? They call themselves deadly squad. They call themselves deadly squad. Fortify themselves. Then themselves go shoot themselves gun. Ta, 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 ta. Say, no enter. There we are good to go. You are a goat shit. And they comes. Say, where then they? Come out and fight us. We are not the one to fight you. Our ancestors have been waiting for you, and are the one fighting you. Who are we to fight you? Who are we? We are ordinary human beings like you, flow with blood and water. The same way Moses went to Pharaoh and said, Pharaoh, let my people go. He said, who are you to order me? He said, I'm not the one ordering you. It is the God, the creator, the Elohim. So when you come and you think we are the one to fight you, we are not the one to fight you. We are not the one that have been fighting you. We are not the one that have been killing you. We are only here as a representative. If you know, you know. But what you don't know, pass you. And why in your mind that you are thinking that you can stop us, you can finish us, you can kill us, the one that sent us is laughing at you.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video and hear everything we in talk for that video. If these people they buy like this, why their media are not saying it? Are they hiding it out so that people go fit see they join them? Well, however, the say has been said. The hearing they already hear. That's so it be. Okay, my wonderful people. You know, say sometimes when they tell the government, say yes, you are a government, you have the power, you have the authority, you have the resources, you can command anything you have. But remember, say there is so many government that have come in this world and go. Government always fail. When they feel superior, you feel nobody can bring you down. The people that may bring you down self now, those small people where you don't even expect. So the reasons you reason wise, and the talker should also talk wise. The thing where I want to talk for this matter, I want to leave and make my people contribute put. Tell us your own opinion for everything we don't hear here today. We talk, we happen. Your own contribution needed in the comment section. So let's talk about it over there. See you in the next update.